Hi, my name is Dana Johnson, and today I'd like to share with you how I can make a meal from the food in my fridge. Let's see, so far I see some chicken. That's a good start. You know, it's important to get some vegetables. Okay, looking good. Always feel like I have a little bit of a mystery container going on in here. Let's see what this was. Oh, pretty good. Got some corn and some carrots. Oh, some asparagus too. As you can see, I don't really throw anything out because you can always take the leftover and make something out of it. Oh, perfect. Chicken breast. Then I had some leftover healthy macaroni salad. Guess what? If I put this all on a plate, I'm going to have myself a meal. Some chicken, some asparagus, a little bit of corn, and love my carrots, that's for sure. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this in the microwave and heat it up, but I don't want to heat up my macaroni salad. So what a nice way to end a very long day, especially being the food and dining expert for a local magazine. To come home to this sure can make me happy. And if you'd like some more recipe ideas, please see me at danasfamilykitchen.com.